Alrighty, so my husband bought me a new blow dryer, and I must say I am definitely loving it. It is very lightweight. My other blow dryer was actually getting a little too heavy for me to use, and he decided to get me this new blow dryer. As you can tell, I'm actually a very petite person, and I have very small hands. So here you can kind of tell, you know, how big the blow dryer is. It's pretty, like I said, it's pretty lightweight, and I love, you know, that it has the cooling setting right here where I don't necessarily have to hold this cooling button here the whole time if I want a shot of cool air, which is nice. And it's actually very powerful for it being, you know, so small. And it's got it's got 3 settings. So the cooling, it's got 1 setting and 2 setting. Let me turn it on so you guys can hear it. Here's the low setting, and here's the high setting. The one thing I must say, and I love the pink, I'm not a pink person, but I do love the pink. It's very shiny. The one thing that I'm not very fond of is the fact that the front, this is the front, and this is the back. It looks a lot alike. If you can see, you know, here's the front, and here's the back. The only difference is that the back, you know, has a, like a mesh of some sort. That's the only difference. So every time I pull out my blow dryer, and every time I turn it on, somehow I always end up blowing air the wrong direction. That's the only thing I'm not fond of, but it did come with some attachments, and let me pull those out so that you guys can see it. It came with that attachment, and it came with a diffuser, and it also came just with the smaller one as well. So it came with 3 attachments, and these are actually different sizes. I know that they look like they might be the same size, but they're not. They're just...
Okay, I absolutely love this new hair dryer. It's pretty sleek. It comes with different attachments. My son likes to use the diffuser on his hair. I will let you hear it. I don't think it's the quietest, but it works super quickly. Like, my hair will dry in literally 2 minutes.
This is a great hair dryer. It's really pretty. The air comes out of here, and as you can see, they've got a cool setting, then a low and a high, and then also a cool button up here. It's not too loud.